Hi YouTube, welcome to one of my videos. Today I'm going to talk about day bag. Now it's a day bag I use when I'm camping, cycling, canoeing, hiking, walking, whatever you like to call it, and now in the motorhome. Excuse me. Now a day bag is just a bag you grab when you're going out for the day. Now mine contains quite a lot of kit, and I'm just going to go over it with you because it's something I think we could all do with and customise it to suit our hobbies. This is an ex-army face mask or gas mask bag, which was about £5 I think. Now I've just gone over, there's two side pockets. This one has a first aid kit in it. The second one has got a little highlighter in it, it's a very small pocket. Now inside the bag, I'll just go over it if I can. In the top here, it has a solar panel. And the solar panel is for charging my phone and my camera. Also, in this top section, there's a compass and a temperature gauge. Two mugs. This contains methylated spirit from the stove. Water container. Windshield. So I'm just scuffling around on the floor, make sure the camera is picking all this up. Windshield. And in here that's on the camera, windshield and a pot that you can grip pots with when they're hot, cooking. I've not room to lay this out. Cook set. A mess alcohol stove. And in this one, this is what you actually put the stove into. I won't assemble it fully. This goes in the bottom, and your mess alcohol stove can go inside, and that's what you stand your pots on. But also, if you run out of mess, you can burn twigs in here. Right, at the very bottom is a tarpaulin. Front pocket is knives, forks, cutlery, sharp knives, a couple of lighters to get the mess stove going. What else have we got? And in there here, there's coffees, lattes, double chopped mochas with or without sugar. There's packs of soup. There's spiced couscous. I think there's instant mashed potato. and one thing or another in there. And what have we got? What's left? Yep, I think that's about it in this bag. I normally carry a power bank as well, and this is a day bag, and this is the sort of thing you can grab in, have it in your car, and when you're out you can cook your food, you can bring water with you. Obviously this is not enough water, but in the first aid kit there's water purifying tablets as well, and it's an ideal bit of kit to carry even in your motorhome. So if you want to spend the whole day away from your motorhome, you can cook, you can have coffee, you can charge your phone and your cameras, and yeah, it's not a survival kit, it's just a day bag, and it's something I put together. And you wouldn't believe all this amount of kit can go in here. In fact, with dehydrated food, you can get enough food in this bag for 2 days. And I thought I'd share this with you. As I say, the most important part of this is this alcohol stove, or methylated spirit stove. And they're very low cost. And as I say, this can go in this little firebox here. And then a proper windshield can go around it. Pots can go on the top, and that's it. But if you're into motorhoming, camping, caravanning, hiking, trekking, canoeing, cycling, any of those, I highly recommend you put yourself a day bag together. And that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and enjoy your adventures.